Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So it's raining today, and some of you requested me last time, I remember, to to record my ride if it's raining outside and show to you how the GoldWing performs. So today I thought, okay, why not? If I'm heading outside and it's raining, why not to show it to you how the GoldWing performs? So let's get started. So let's change the mode to rain mode. Okay, and let's start the ride. Wow. One thing I made sure is I closed all the vents on my helmet, so no chance of air leaking, and we are up in the rain. A bit careful on this slope, don't want to slip, but everything else looks fine. Let me start by showing you my gear that I'm wearing right now. So what I'm wearing for riding in this rain is, if you see down, I'm wearing my BMW sneaker boots, which are waterproof. My pants are by BMW as well, and these are waterproof as well. My jacket, which I recently purchased, is a Revit jacket. So this is a Revit jacket which has an inner liner in it. So 2 liners, and basically it's a waterproof jacket as well. My gloves, which I typically wear, the Icon gloves, which are full leather, but they're not waterproof, so I'm not wearing that for today's ride. What I'm wearing is these 5 gloves, which are long gloves and has a waterproof liner. So these are pretty good. The other thing to remember is that I don't have my helmet in hand, but make sure to close all the vents for your helmet so water doesn't seep through it. And let's go back and ride again. So that's the gear that I'm wearing, and before I start riding and explaining how this rain mode works and what are my thoughts about it, I would also like to thank all my existing subscribers and supporters. This video wouldn't have been possible if one of you didn't request me how the GoldWing performs in rain, and for me to record a video. So please feel free to write down in the comments if there's anything you feel like seeing, or any feature or anything that you like. Someone also requested recently to see what apps I have on my phone that I use for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So that's probably coming up next, but in this video it's just purely going to be what I feel with the performance in the rain. So yeah, I changed the mode to rain mode. One thing I noticed that the bike is very stable. Especially my main reason for today's video you'll be seeing is mostly around stop and go. So stopping at the traffic light, then going. Right now I was uphill, going downhill. I want to see that how the GoldWing performs if we have to stop and then go again. That's typically a point where I've seen most cars and motorcycles slipping. That road area, that surface around the traffic light where you're stopped is typically very slippery. So that is something that I really want to see how the GoldWing performs in. And so far as we have started, I noticed at the first stoplight that it was a very smooth sort of start when I stopped at the traffic light, even though I didn't realize that the traffic light was red, and I pressed a bit of hard brake over there to stop when I noticed that it's a red light. But still I noticed that it was a very, very smooth brake. The bike, I didn't feel like it was slipping at any point, and that's what it was. Even now coming out the circle, I'm at about 60 kilometers per hour, which according to my odometer is showing me it's about 40 miles per hour, and that's what it is. But it's a bit of cold morning. About 10 degrees it's showing me here. It's about 50 degrees Fahrenheit, I would say, or yeah, about 51 degrees Fahrenheit. So not bad weather considering, and it's not that windy. So not windy for now, what I feel, but it's raining. It's been raining all morning today, and yeah, I'm going up to like 80 kilometers, which is about 50 miles per hour right now, and I feel it's pretty comfortable riding. I don't feel, I'll be pressing brake if that light is red by the time I reach there, and we'll get to see the performance. Also, make sure to check out my giveaway video that I posted yesterday. If you haven't checked that one out, I'll be giving away, announcing the winner next Monday. So not the Monday, which is tomorrow, probably when this video comes out, or today for you, but in about 10 days time. So make sure to check out that video, and we'll take it from there. I was a bit slow at the turn though, just to be careful. Sometimes there's oil slick around that area, that's basically being washed away with the rain, and it comes to the end, and that's where you see it. So a bit careful around that area, and I would suggest everyone to do the same. I know that we're on two wheels, and we are pretty, GoldWings is an excellent motorcycle to be riding in rain if you have to. I am one of those who wouldn't prefer riding in rain, but if I come across a situation where I have to ride, I don't think I see any issues around that. The stability, it's very good. There are two things I noticed though, that you do feel like my legs are pretty protected, and I feel I feel pretty confident riding in the rain. Even now with me pressing the brake, I don't feel anywhere that I'm scared or there's a chance of me slipping, unless my feet gets on a place which is a slippery spot, and that's something I just need to be a little bit more careful about. But apart from that, it's a pretty good. The windshield really helps. So you see that I'm not getting that much of water on me as I would have if there was no windshield around here. And me being comfortable riding in rain is the reason my hands even going up, and I'm explaining while I'm talking. Otherwise I would be stuck in that stiff position and would be like, oh okay, I cannot ride, but feel confident, I feel, if you're riding in rain, as this is a beast, and honestly a great machine if you have to ride in rain. I won't recommend, but yeah, if you're stuck and you have to ride, then there is not much of an option you have, right? You gotta ride. If you get back home or do something or run an errand where you don't have your car, that's all you have to do. But again, great. Yeah, I feel there's a bit of engine wise as well. It's not that the throttle response is not that quick, which is in the sports mode, which is exactly what you need in the rain mode as well. You don't need a quick throttle response. At the same time, you don't need it to be lagging. So it's the perfect balance of throttle response that one would need if you're riding in rain mode. And that's exactly what this bike is offering right now. In this rain, with some places you can probably notice or not, there are slight puddles around as well, but anywhere that I need to be scared or be afraid about it, me riding in this. But hope this video helps you, and brings that confidence if anyone's little bit scared. Again, like I said, feel safe. The best mode of transport in this rainy weather, if you don't want to be on two wheels, is to get your four wheels out, your cars out, and drive on that. But in case you get stuck, amazing. You saw I stopped at about like 4 or 5 different traffic lights, and at none of them I felt that the bike was slipping, or the ABS and everything is just works in perfect way. I feel like I never felt that okay, I'm lagging, or I'm scared. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you're new to the channel. And till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.